so fast.
I know. I know. And that was with my weight on it. Did you see that shit? he was stepping.
You gotta go up the road.
Yeah.
You gotta see Brock go take up the road. Is that death wish for me?
Not today. I'll tell you, those tires just scare me.
Good, good.
Brock, you got some sack on you, brother.